Good day, students. In our last lecture, we have started with chapter number 5, that is expansion formula, in which we have seen the first practice set, that is practice set 5.1. Today, we will continue with the same chapter and see. Today, we will start with practice set 5.2. So, for 5.2, you are supposed to learn one simple formula, that is a plus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the simple expansion formula for a plus b the whole cube. This is the formula that we will use for practice at 5.2. So for learning or remembering the formula, you need to know that the first and the fourth term in the expansions are the cube of the first and the second term. That means the first term is your a and the second term is your b. So the formula for first term, it is first term's cube, and last term or the fourth term is the second term's cube. The second term is 3 times the product of first term square and the second term multiply by second term, that is 3 times of a square b, while the third term is the 3 times the product of first term and the square of the second term. That means for second term you are supposed to square the first term, and for the third term square of the second term. So remember this, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Moving to the sums that are been given to us. So there are total 8 sums that we are going to see. So the solution for the first sum is, first question is k plus 4 the whole cube. So our formula that we are going to use is a plus b the whole cube, and the answer for the formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So a over here is k while b over here is 4. So the formula says a cube, that means k cube plus 3a square b, that means 3k square times of 4 plus 3 times of k times of 4 square plus b cube, that means 4 cube. So the answer is 3k cube plus 3 4s is 12, 12k square plus 4 4s is 16, 16 3s is 48. So 48k plus cube of 4 is 64, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s is 64. Cube of 4 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, that means 3 times 4. So the solution for k plus 4 the whole cube is equal to k cube plus 12k square plus 48k plus 64. Moving ahead to second sum. Second sum is 7x plus 8y the whole cube. The formula that we are going to use is a plus b the whole cube, and the answer for the formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A over here is 7x, b over here is 8y. So 7x the whole cube plus 3 times of a square, that means 7x square times of 8y plus 3 times of 7x times of 8y the whole square plus 8y cube, since it is b cube. Again, cube of 7 is 343. I have already told this would be easier if you have learned all the cubes up to 15, that I have already told you all to learn. So cube of 7 is 343 plus x cube plus 7 7s are 49, 49 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8. On multiplication you get the answer as 1176. This is x square times of y plus 8 8s are 64, 64 multiplied by 21. So the answer is 1344 x y square plus cube of 8 is 512 and cube of y is y cube. So the answer that we get is 343 x cube plus 1176 x square y plus 1344 x y square plus 512 y cube. So the final answer for 7x plus 8y the whole cube is equal to 343x cube plus 1176x square y plus 1344xy square plus 512y cube. That is the solution for question number 2. Moving ahead to question number 3, that is 7 plus m the whole cube. Again similar formula we are going to use. The formula is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Again a over here is 7 while b over here is m. So substituting all the values in our given formula. First is a cube, that means cube of 7. Next is 3 times of 7 square times of m plus 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by m square plus m cube. Again cube of 7 is 343 plus 7 sevens are 49 and 49 multiplied by 3 is 147 multiplied by m. So 147 m plus 7 3s are 21 m square plus m cube. So the answer for 7 plus m the whole cube is equal to 343 plus 147 m plus 21 m square plus m cube. That is the solution for question number 3. Moving ahead to question number 4. Question number 4 given to us is cube of 52. So this type of sum we have already studied in our last year. Again this is 2. The number is less than 5. So we will take the number plus 2. If the number given to us was 59, the last number is, that is number on the unit place is greater than 5. So we do minus. So the answer would have been 60 minus 1. Here the unit place have value of 2. So we will write 50 plus 2. It is the same, 50 plus 2 is 52. So again this is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. The formula for a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A over here is 50 while b over here is 2. So substituting all the values in the formula for a and b. First term is 50 cube plus 3 times of 50 square times of 2 plus 3. A is 50, b is 2. Again 2, b cube, that is cube of 2. So 5 cube of 5 is 1 to 5 and 0 is 3 times 0. Square of 50 is 2500. 2500 multiplied by 2 is 5000. 5000 into 3 is 15,000. Square of 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 and 0. 600. And cube of 2 is 8. So we get 1,25,000 plus 15,000 plus 600 plus 8. And the final addition of this number is 1,40,608. That is 1,40,608. So the solution for cube of 52 is 1,40,608. Whenever sums like this is given, never do like this. 52 multiplied by 52 multiplied by 52. You are only going to use the formula, that is you are going to expand it and use find the solution using the formula. Moving ahead to the next sum, that is cube of 101. Again this number is on the unit place, the number is less than 5. So we can say the number is 100 plus 1 the whole cube. Again this is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. Using the same formula, that is a plus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Substituting all the values in the formula, a over here is 100 while b over here is 1. So a cube, that means cube of 100 plus 3 times of a square, that means square of 100 times of 1 plus 3 times of 100 times of square of 1 plus 1 cube. Again cube of 100 is 1, 6 times 0, 100 square of 100 is 1, 4 times 0 multiplied by 3 is 30,000 plus square of 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 100 is 100. 100 multiplied by 3 is 300. 300 and cube of 1 is 1. So adding these values we get 103030 1 as our final answer. So the cube of 101 is 1030301. Again, similarly that I have told in this sum, the same applies to this. If you are given sums like this, don't directly do 101 multiply by 101 multiply by 101 and multiply and find the answer. You are only supposed to find it using the formula for expansion. Moving ahead to the sixth sum. The sixth sum has the value of x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Again, this is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. Using the similar formula, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Substituting all the values of a and b, a over here is x while b is 1 upon x. Again, x cube plus 3 times of x square within bracket 1 upon x plus 3 times of x times of 1 upon x the whole square plus 1 upon x the whole cube. So the answer is x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. So the solution for x plus 1 upon x the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. Moving ahead to the seventh sum. The seventh sum has the value of 2m plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube. Again, this is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. Using the formula for a plus b the whole cube, which is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Again, a over here is 2m while b is 1 upon 5. So 2m the whole cube plus 3 times of 2m square times of 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m times of 1 upon 5 the whole square plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube. It is very simple. This first term is your a while the second term is b. You need to only learn the formula and substitute all the values of a and b. Again, cube of 2 is 8, cube of m is m cube plus square of 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So 12 upon 5 m square plus again on the base, on the denominator we get 5 square, that means 25, and on the numerator we get 3 2s are 6, 6 into m. So 6m upon 25. Again, cube of 1 is 1 while cube of 5 is 125. So we get 8m cube plus 12m square upon 5 plus 6m upon 25 plus 1 upon 125. So the answer for 2m plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube is equal to 8m cube plus 12m square upon 5 plus 6m upon 25 plus 1 upon 125. Moving ahead to the last sum of this practice set, that is question number 8. Question says 5x upon y plus y upon 5x the whole cube. Again, this is in the form of a plus b. Using the formula for a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Substituting the values for a and b. A is 5x upon y, b is y upon 5x. So 5x upon y the whole cube plus 3 into 5x upon y square multiply by y upon 5x plus 3 into 5x upon y multiply by y upon 5x the whole square plus y upon 5x cube. So cube of 5 is 125, cube of x is x cube, cube of y is y cube. So the first term that we get is 125 x cube upon y. For the second term, this is square, this bracket is square, that means this is 2 times. So I can say 5x upon y multiply by 5x upon y, and this y gets cancelled, this 5x cancel. So we are left with 3 multiply by 5x upon y. So 5 3 is 15, 15x upon y. Plus similarly over here, this y upon 5x is going to be 2 times. So this 5 and this yx gets cancelled. Again 1 y, 1 5x cancel. So we are left with 3 multiply by y upon 5x. So we get 3y upon 5x plus cube of y is y cube while cube of 5x is 5 ka cube is 125 and cube of x is x cube. So we get 125 x cube upon y cube plus 15x upon y plus 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. So the final answer for 5x upon y plus y upon 5x the whole cube is equal to 125 x cube upon y cube plus 15x upon y plus 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125x cube. That is the solution for question number 8, and that is the last sum for practice at 5.2. We will end this lecture over here. Copy all the notes as I have already given this in your PDF. Copy it in your notebook as well as your workbook, those who have bought it. So from now onwards everything will be in the notebook as well as in the workbook. That's all for today. Hope you all understood practice at 5.2. For homework, you all are supposed to copy this. This I have already given in Monday's lecture, Monday's PDF. Plus, you all are supposed to write the formulas 5 times each. That means the expansion total up till now we have used 5 formulas. That is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a plus b, a minus b, and a plus b the whole cube. And the other one is x plus a, x plus b, which is, so there are total 5 formula that we have used till now. So you all are going to write these 5 formulas 5 times each. That's all for today. Thank you.